Hello everyone and welcome to ChatGPT, Creativity and Productivity. My name is Jack Rafer-Baruch. I am a data scientist. I am very happy to welcome you to this course where we're going to learn how to use this amazing tool called ChatGPT for our creativity and to increase our productivity. Now, to talk a little bit about the course, and the one thing that we should know is why we want to learn how to use ChatGPT. Well, the first of all is because it's a great tool. It is an amazing AI system that is going to allow us to generate a lot of content in text form. Now, it's going to help us generate new and creative ideas. So if we're ever stuck and we actually want to look at a different perspective, it is an amazing tool to actually just go in and ask it to actually give us that different perspectives, whatever perspectives we want, or something completely new, and that is going to help unblock our creative talents. The second one, it's going to allow us to explore new ideas. So everything from just asking ChatGPT to show us something completely new to actually, like if you want to have a talk with someone, an author that is no longer with us, you can actually ask ChatGPT to act like that person or like a professional, and that's going to help you explore new and completely different ideas. It's also going to help us develop our writing skills. If we like writing, if we want to get good at writing, it's actually going to help us improve our writing. There's different ways which we're going to discover during this course in which we can ask ChatGPT to give us a hand, to help us change our styles, to help us explore new styles, and that is going to improve how we write. Also, very importantly, we're going to learn how to use this tool to improve our productivity. How to make, for example, if we have to make a lot of content for social media, how to do that content. If we need to write a lot of emails, it's going to help us write emails. In other words, it's going to become an assistant for us to do a lot more of what we already do. And of course, and most importantly, the world is becoming more and more AI-centric. So there's more and more artificial intelligence tools coming up, especially generative AI, which we'll talk about during the section. And it is very important for us to start developing these skills because these are the skills of the future. And if you can start developing them right now, it's going to help you have a better outcome on every part of your life as time passes. Now, let's talk a little bit about the format of the course. And this is important. This is a highly practical course. So except for this first section where we're going to talk about some other things, we're going to go straight into using ChatGPT. Like every single lesson is going to be a practical lesson where you're going to use what you're learning and you're going to practice and you're going to do your own thing. Then there's going to be exercises. Literally every single part is going to have an exercise that is going to help you improve, it's going to help you learn, and it's going to help you do amazing things. And finally, the whole course is structured in such a way that you can actually just look at the title of a particular lesson and know exactly what you're looking for. So if you want to practice something, if you want to skip a part of the course and just go straight into something in particular, like increasing your creativity, getting new ideas, or writing with different styles, then you can just go to that particular part. You want to learn how to write emails right now, just go to writing emails, and it's going to help you. Of course, if you take this first part, it's going to help you have a much more wider view of how ChatGPT is used, and that's going to make it even better. But let's go a little bit over the specific course structure and what's going to be in each part so that you know ahead of time. First of all, there's this unit. So this unit is going to be an introduction, and we're also going to talk about several other things, like, for example, the limitations of ChatGPT, what other generative AI tools there are out there that we can actually use, that we could learn how to use. And of course, it's going to give us a little bit of an introduction to the ethics of how we should use it to actually further ourselves and be better for everybody else as well. The second unit is going to be our first steps with ChatGPT. That's where we're going to learn everything from opening up an OpenAI account and actually starting to use ChatGPT on the free version, because there are other versions, but we'll talk more about that later. The third unit is going to be specifically about ChatGPT for creativity. So anything that's going to help us improve and explore our creativity, you're going to find in that third unit. In the fourth unit, we're going to talk about productivity. So everything from writing emails to getting a whole schedule for a vacation to actually helping us write posts for social media content. Everything that's going to help us improve our productivity is going to be in that unit 4. And finally, in the unit 5, we're going to talk about the next steps. So what can you do with this knowledge and how you can stay in touch with us so that we can keep helping you improve your AI skills. I hope you're ready because this is going to be a very exciting course. So let's get started.